Nathan and Chris from Drury. They have four good ones. You had a limit. You might have been in first place. It goes 10.94. Good job right there. Get some water on him. I'll talk to you about it real quick while he goes around the corner. Got 10.94, short one. Did y'all have that fifth fish on the line at any point?
No, not at all. We capitalized on pretty much everything we did today. Wanted to go to the lock, actually, but there was a barge stuck, and nobody expected that, I don't think. First three came in like 20 minutes on something moving, and the last one was a real struggle to get.
So what's the plan tomorrow? Try and do the lock again or stay up here and repeat what you did today?
We're definitely going to try to do the lock again tomorrow.
Best of luck. We'll see you guys again. Thank you all.